Hey guys, RUKO 67 here, and tonight we're going to open this RUKO 2 lock. It's got a snowman cylinder in it, and I do have 4 keys for it. Pretty good bidding on it. Got it up here in the vise here. We're going to be using the bottom of the keyway actually, and we're going to use I believe this is a medium hook, or a thin hook, 22 by Southward. And another Southward pick. That's a diamond. Another one happens to be a diamond too. And 44 Delta magnetic handles. Fit Southward was perfect. See if I can pop it back out here. There's what they look like. And they just fit in just perfect in there. And they feel real good. So let's see if we can open this. Like I said, we're using the bottom of the keyway. Very light tension. We'll go with this. We're going by the middle of the keyway where we start. Let's see. This is the same keyway. What we're doing is we're picking it at that board right there, going in at an angle. If you picked these or Yale Y1 cylinders, it's the middle of the middle ward of the keyway. So let's get in there, make sure that's up. We got it. Light tension. Let's slide all the way in. Got some hits there. Slight counter rotation there. And what we're doing is just going up and down the pins and pushing them up. We might get a little click, we might not. We'll move to the next ones. You'll vary your tension. I picked this once before finally. Took me forever to pick the first RUKO that I got a video on, and I picked the mailbox lock of another set that I have. Haven't got the door cylinder on that one yet. Well, we're getting everything. Looks like everything's set. Of course, it's probably not going to cooperate now. I almost lost it. Okay, we're ditching this one. We're going with this one. All the way way back. We're moving it up. The ramp of the diamond really helps move the pin just enough to get it set. And we got a false set now. So we got another more false set and more false set. And I think I got it there. We got it. I know we got a deep cut in the key. You gotta put the pick around that one, or under that one. Okay, we got that. Well, let's gotta try to get the pick. Okay, got the pick out. Okay, because I think we're stuck on the first pin there. And go at an angle and try to get under that pin. Okay. Okay. We still got our set, false set. We just got to find that pin that's in that it is. Lighten up on the tension a bit and bounce these pins. I think it's that first pin is giving me a problem. So let's see if we can get it under there. Loosen up. Really lighten up on the tension. Okay. We're not getting any counter rotation. I think everything's set except that first pin. Giving me a problem. So, lighten up on the tension. And that's what it was. It was that first pin. Are you ready? Pop. Ain't that a wonderful sound? There we go. That's an open. Now, something else I've been working on. We're gonna flip you around here. And we can't really see, but there we go. I don't know whether that's in focus or not, but I'm working on those. I'll do a separate video after I post this one. But this lock is a Rustwin. I think it's an RU4 keyway. But I wasn't able to pick it for a long time. I figured, well, I better find out what's going on in there. And it is filthy. I mean, one of the springs is clogged, and of course, if you can see that, every single pin stack has a ball bearing on it. Not real fun to pick. The tailpiece actually has a number on it, which is 842363. I'm not sure whether that was key cuts or not. And the next one I'm messing with is that right there. It looks okay, but it's really, really stiff and sticky with the key. So I took it apart and I'm going to clean it up. And some guys that usually do ASSAs can help me out on this. All the top pins are little spools, but the spool part was on top. So if anybody knows if that's correct or not, let me know. I've also been working on these nice little locks. I'm sure some of you have seen them in flea markets and such, and said, ooh, I'd like that, but you don't have a combination for it. Well, I'm going to show you how to get the combination. And that is the Sergeant Greenleaf 8088 lock. And this is its replacement, which is the 8077A. If you don't have a combination with this, you're sort of screwed, because I don't know a way to get into that. But that's another video coming up also. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.